So we're here now in the lobby. Sheraton Hotel, Euclair. So yan yung lobby nila. And there is ate and tita. And by bucket. Ang ganda dito kasi likod ng park. Yeah. And there she is. There they are. And the birthday girl is over there. And their stuff is over there. And the two.